Have you used the Seeing AI app with students? Or parents, have you tried it with your kids? It's a great app. It's not new, but it's from Microsoft and it's free, available on iPhone and Android. Once you download it on your phone, it starts pretty easily. And there's a lot of great features that I'll talk about in a minute, but basically you hold it up and you can have the app read things to you like signs in the environment, text, even handwriting and money. There's an option for making the voice go faster or slower. You can have the print be large, high contrast, or bold. And it has multiple options for reading text, like short or long text. You might use something like the short text for signs, logos, labels, or the long text for reading instructions. Maybe you're doing some baking together and you want to take a picture of the recipe to have it read aloud. This is a great tool for that. When I open up the app,
short text,
it already starts reading. You can see the options at the bottom, short text or long text, looking at a person, a barcode, or money. So if I put it on our recipe,
RCD2 ice cream cake. This special occasion cake is the bomble in baking. A bomb. S an ice cream Ted sponge cake shaped like a dome. This cake takes some effort.
It's talking about this R2D2 ice cream cake.
3 large bags. Vegetable oil. For greasing the pan, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup plus 1/2 cup granulated sugar.
Another great option is that it can read things that are a bit hard to read, like cursive. Cornbread stuffing mix, that's a bit hard to read. If I have my app open.
Cornbread, stuffing mix, Raider, Joe's.
Maybe you're at the grocery store shopping for ingredients to make that cake. Well, the app has an option for this too. I open the app and click on the money symbol.
Currency, $10, $10, $5, $1.
Pretty neat.